You are welcome to today's video tutorials, and in today's video I want to show you how to encrypt your workbook or your Excel workbook to prevent people from accessing your data within your workbook. Now, it helps to protect your data from other people and also provide secure protection from unfortunate editing to your data of your Excel workbook. Now, on my taskbar, I have an Excel workbook open. And in this Excel workbook, I have this data available in my worksheet. And this is my second video on how to encrypt your Excel workbook. I have the link in the description below that links to the first video on how to encrypt your Excel workbook, which has a different approach. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the info command under the file menu to encrypt your Excel workbook. Now, these are my data available where I have student name, class score, exam score, and total score. And these data are very confidential to me. It has the records of the students and also their class score and exam score. And I don't want anybody to have access to this data, or any student or any individual to have any contacts with this data. Therefore, I want to encrypt this data to protect it from any editing or anybody accessing this particular data. Now, to encrypt this, the first step is to click on the file menu. And when you click on the file menu, you have this backstage view, and under the back arrow we have this info command. You left click to select, and this is the interface that relates to the info command. And we have the first command here, that is protect workbook. And when you click on the drop down arrow, you have these options, and the screen tip for the protect workbook says control what types of changes people can make to this workbook. I want to protect this workbook with a password, so anytime I want to open this workbook, I have to key in my password to open this particular workbook. Therefore, in these options I am going to choose the second command, which is encrypt with password. Now you have this dialog box that says encrypt the content of this file, and the field here is demanding for a password to open your workbook the next time you want to work with it. So I'm going to enter a simple password. Then you click on OK. Now it says re-enter password for confirmation. Then you click on OK. Now you have this yellow background given to this protect workbook option, meaning this particular Excel workbook has been encrypted. Now let's go back to our front stage view and let's close this window. Let's click on save and give a file name for this particular workbook. Then you click on save. Now I save my Excel file in the document folder, so I'm going to open my file explorer, and this is my file explorer window. And in the navigation pane we have this document folder. When you left click, you have these items within this folder, and this is the Excel file I just created. Now to open this, you can double click or you can right click and choose open. Now this workbook demands for a password to open this file, so I'm going to enter the password, and always you have to remember your password is very secured, or you can write it somewhere safer so that the next time you want to access, you just go for your password. If you can have it on your mobile device or any electronic device that can help you to easily remember your password, you can do so. So what you do is you just key in the password you use for the encryption. Then you click on OK, and quickly and simply we have opened this workbook with our password we use for the encryption, and now I can easily access my data within this workbook. So anytime you want to work with your Excel workbook, you have to enter your password before you can access your data. So this is how to encrypt your Excel workbook using the info command. And as I said earlier, I have my first video on how to encrypt your Excel workbook using the save as command under the file menu. So thank you for watching, and please like, share and comment, and see you in the next video.